Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am back with another video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how I created this pretty pink cut crease and also how I did this wig. So the wig is from Asteria Hair. This is what the packaging looks like, and inside I've received a wig cap and also a card. The card just shows instructions on how to keep up with the wig. So I have a 20-inch deep wave of lace frontal wig in 1B, and it's 150% density. And this is what the inside of the wig looks like. It has two combs on the side, one in the back, and it also comes with adjustable straps. So this is what the parting looks like up front, you guys. I wanted to show you guys very closely because the hair, you're going to have to customize it. You're going to have to bleach the knots and pluck it a little bit. So that is what I'm doing here now. I do want to let you guys know, like, when I was running my fingers through it after I took it out of the package, I did receive a little bit of shedding, okay? It wasn't hair falling out everywhere, but when I did run my fingers through it, I did receive some shedding. So I did shampoo the hair twice and I did condition it, and the waves are still popping, you guys. The hair is really pretty overall. It's just the shedding, but this is what the parting looks like now after I customize it. It looks so nice. I'm getting better at this. Alright, you guys, so moving on to makeup, I'm gonna start off I'm gonna first start off by doing my brows. I'm using the Amethyst Beverly Hills Perfect Brow Pencil, and this is in the shade dark brown, and I will have an updated eyebrow routine coming for you guys. So I'm just gonna quickly do my brows here and clean them up with concealer, and I'll be right back. Alright, you guys, so now I'm back with one eye done, and I'm finally bringing y'all some color, okay? So I'm going to first start off by priming my eyes with my concealer, and I'm going to dip into the Morphe 35B and take this orange shade, and I will be placing this right in my crease. And I'm really going to pack on these shades. You really want to pack on your colors so each color will be nice and vibrant, and you can see each color that you're putting on. Going back in the 35B, I'm taking this purple shade right here on a ABH A25 blending brush. I really love this brush to get right in the crease. It's just the perfect size. And if you guys don't have the 35B palette, like, sadly it's discontinued, but this is my favorite matte, like, colorful eyeshadow palette. But if you guys don't have this palette, don't worry. If you have any orange or purples or any colorful palette will work, okay? Next, you guys, I'm going to cut my crease halfway with the Huda Beauty Overachiever Concealer in the shade Sugar Biscuit. And I'm also using my Anastasia Beverly Hills flat concealer brush. It's their A4 brush. This is also the brush that I use to clean up my brows with. Next, I'm going to be taking the Huda Beauty Amethyst Obsessions palette, taking that shimmer shade at the bottom row, and I'm going to pack this color all over my lid. So moving on to skin, I'm going to be using my Pond's Face Moisturizer to moisturize my face before I apply all this makeup product. So for foundation, I'm using the Maybelline Super Stay Foundation Stick, and I'm in the shade 330 Toffee Caramel. Alright, you guys, so to blend this foundation out, I'm using this Bomb New Revlon buffing brush. It is so good to blend out stick foundations. Next, I'm going to use the new NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop Concealer. I got the shade Caramel, and oh my gosh, like, these drugstore concealers that are coming out, y'all, don't sleep on them. They are bomb. Like, this one is full coverage. It's so creamy. It's very hydrating. It's just so nice. I really want to try the Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation. I haven't tried that, but this concealer is bomb. So after everything is blended out, you guys, I'm going to set this concealer in place with my Black Radiance Banana Setting Powder. And yes, my under eye is looking flawless, okay? Flawless. So I'm just going to continue to set everywhere I place the concealer with, once again, this Black Radiance Banana Setting Powder. So for contour, I'm going back to my fave, which is the NYX Highlight and Contour palette. I'm going to be taking 2 shades in this palette, and I'm using this large contour brush that I got from Marshall's a couple of years ago, y'all. I mostly get my brushes from like Marshall's, Ross, TJ Maxx, and places like that. So here, you guys, I'm just taking the same banana setting powder and placing it underneath my contour just to sharpen and clean up the contour a bit. So next, to complete the eyes, I'm going to take this Profusion glitter eyeliner. I don't know the shade right now, but I'll leave everything in the description box. So I'm just going to add this in my crease right on top of the pink shade. So for my lower lash line, I'm going to go back in with the orange shade first and apply that. And then I'm going to go in with the purple shade that I also use in the crease and apply that closer to my lash line than the orange shade. So I'm going to use this Anastasia Beverly Hills Jet Black eyeliner to apply this in my waterline. If you have a waterproof eyeliner pencil, that'll work great as well, but I just don't have that. So I'm going to apply some mascara now with my Wet n Wild Mega Length Mascara. So once the eyes are complete, I'm going to go ahead and dust off all of this powder. And I also did set my makeup with my Covergirl setting spray, but where is that clip? I don't know. So next, I'm going to highlight with my Amrezi highlighter, which is the bomb.com. I still love this highlighter. It's so nice. So of course, I'm going to be adding that on my brow bones as well, and also in the inner corners. So for lips, I'm going to be lining my lips with my NK dark brown lip liner that you guys can find at any beauty supply store. And for lipstick, I'm using my NYX Liquid Suede lipstick in the shade Sandstorm. So this is the completed look, you guys. This is how the hair looks once it's dried. I didn't want to put any heat on it because I wanted to show you guys how it looks, you know, once it's dried and the waves are popping. It looks super natural. So I really like it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope to see y'all next time.